Hi, Susan. Korean markets are opening mixed. The Kospi is down 1 point, and the Kosdaq is higher by 0.25% this morning. On the Kospi by sector, the best performers are very surprisingly the pharmaceutical names, which are really rallying this morning. The sector as a whole up 1.5%. We haven't seen the sector move this much in a very long time, but we are seeing news again from President Park saying that she wants the healthcare and the IT sectors to really move into global markets, saying that these sectors will benefit from expanding into the Middle Eastern market. So this may be related, but again, we are seeing a big rally for the pharmaceutical names this morning. Also, another sector that we are seeing overall strength in are the brokerages. As a sector, they're down, but we are seeing some big moves for the smaller brokerages like Hanyang Securities. We are seeing deregulation being the key word here as well. The new head of the FSC, Im Jong-young, is saying that he will relax regulations for the Konex, which is the third stock exchange on the Korean markets. This exchange was made especially for startups, and the FSC is saying that he will change regulations so that it is easier for smaller companies to go public. And also, he is trying to increase liquidity on this exchange as well. So we are seeing some rallies for the smaller brokerages and some weakness for the bigger brokerage names like Samsung and Hyundai at the open. Also, take a look at the shipbuilders today. We are seeing some new orders coming in for the shipbuilding names in Korea. STX Offshore and Shipbuilding, which was delisted, but again has won a very big order, 106 billion won order from a Singapore-based BW Pacific for 2 ships. This is in the headlines this morning for this name, but overall, for the bigger shipbuilders, Daewoo and Samsung and Hyundai, we are seeing losses at the open for these names. Also, let's take a look at the blue chips. They are showing a mixed picture, but Hyundai Motors is up 0.5%, and Samsung is up 0.2%. Samsung is still pretty close to its 52-week high. Again, it touched its record high yesterday at 1.51 million won during trade yesterday. And so we are seeing a little bit of a higher open for Samsung, a lower open for POSCO, down about 1% at the open this morning. Another sector to take a look at the cosmetic names. Amore Pacific is trading up another day of gains for this name, 0.75% of gains for this name, ahead of its stock split, which is expected to increase the liquidity for this name. So analysts are seeing this as a positive for this sector. That was a check on the Korean markets at the open. Matt, over to you.
June, thanks very much.